Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I am Khoirunnisa Nurul from MTSN and Bantul. Look at this. Here I have an empty plastic bottle. What will we do with this plastic bottle? Yes, we will make a pencil holder. To make a pencil holder from plastic bottle, we need, of course, a plastic bottle. We can use the big or the small one. A scissors, a paper wrap, glue, and a ribbon. Okay, let's start. First, we peel off the label. Then, cut the bottle as we want. We can make short or tall pencil holder. After that, it's time to decorate it. Cut the paper wrap. Glue it on the bottle. And beautify with the ribbon. Voila! Now we have beautiful pencil holder just from plastic bottle. Have a nice day at home. Good luck. Bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.